yeah.
Why does it make sense to give your competitor, Paramount Skydance, a week to negotiate with Warner Brothers if you already have a deal with them?
Well, best if we start with where we're at, which is we have the only signed deal with Warner Brothers to acquire Warner Brothers Studios and Warner Brothers Television Studios and HBO. That is a signed deal that we have. P-Sky, Paramount had been making a ton of noise, flooding the zone with confusion for shareholders, so they don't really understand the deal, and including floating all these hypothetical offers into and talking directly to the shareholders and bypassing the Warner Brothers Discovery board. So we gave them the opportunity to get those shareholders exactly what they deserve, which is complete clarity and certainty about what the value of these deals are. And what we're certain is that the Netflix deal to acquire these assets is the best deal, generates the best value for their shareholders, and they think so too. That's why they recommended the deal and why they reiterated recommending that deal post this. So give them 7 days to put their money where their mouth is.
So part of all the disclosures and press releases and proxies filed this morning was also the news that a representative of Paramount Skydance had offered $31 per share, $1 more than Paramount Skydance had previously offered for all of Warner Brothers. You have the right to match any higher bid. How much more are you willing to pay?
Well, that's not something you typically do with a phone call. And I don't want to get into the hypotheticals of what we do, of all these moves. Let them make a move, and then we'll see where the next step takes us.
Given that Netflix's stock price has dropped so much since you closed this deal in December, Mike just mentioned a 25% drop, are you concerned that investors will sell off more if you end up offering more to get this deal done?
There's things you should remember about us. We've been doing this for a long time. We have been incredibly disciplined buyers in our normal course of business, meaning we're pretty good at establishing what is the value for entertainment assets, audience relative to cost, all of those things, and remaining very disciplined in the process of doing that. So it shouldn't be any different than that. But again, as I said, when we came up with the offer on this asset, this is a deal we think that brings an enormous value to Warner Brothers Discovery shareholders. But even as importantly, is continuing to grow the entertainment business. The outcome of this deal is going to be very relevant to a lot of players, meaning that if in our deal we continue to operate Warner Brothers film and television studios pretty much like they're running today, we continue to run HBO largely as it operates today. We continue to invest in growth in those organizations. We have a very healthy balance sheet and a very strong business with or without this deal to keep pushing forward at this. So to me, our goal here is to make sure that folks know, take the 7 days to figure out exactly where they stand, and then on March 20th there is a vote, and they'll make the decision. And we're confident that the Warner Brothers Discovery Board, which continues to endorse this deal, and the shareholders will come to the same conclusion that this is the best value for Warner Brothers Discovery.